In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Shein. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look and what to tap so the entire shopping experience appears in the language you're most comfortable with. First, open Shein. You can do this in your web browser on a computer or on the Shein app on your phone or tablet. You don't need to sign in for this. The language option is available right from the main interface. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection so changes apply smoothly once you make your selection. Next, find the globe icon. This is the key. On the website, it's typically in the top right corner of the page header, and you might also see it again in the footer if you scroll down. It usually looks like a small world or globe symbol, sometimes paired with a short language label. On the app, look for the same globe symbol near the top of the home screen or along the main navigation area. If you don't see it immediately, take a quick glance across the top bar and, if needed, briefly scroll to the very bottom of the home screen. Pop-ups or banners can occasionally cover it, so close those first if one is on the screen. Once you spot it, click or tap the globe icon. This opens the language selector. Nothing on your account changes here. You're simply bringing up a list of available languages for the interface. On mobile, this may slide up from the bottom. On desktop, it may appear as a small panel or a drop-down. Now, select your language. Browse the list and choose the language you prefer. If you see multiple variants, pick the one that best suits you. This choice affects the site's interface text, labels, and menus, helping you navigate more confidently. After you make your choice, the page refreshes automatically. Give it a moment to reload. You'll notice the navigation, categories, and help text switch to your selected language right away. If the refresh seems to take a second, that's normal. Just let it finish so everything updates correctly. That's all there is to it. Open Shine, find the globe icon, click it, select your language, and the page refreshes on its own. If you ever want to switch again, repeat these same steps anytime. Enjoy a smoother browsing and checkout experience in the language that works best for you, and happy shopping.